In this video, you will learn how to create a bucket and store files in StorageRaya, CloudRaya's S3 compatible object storage. The first thing you need to do is choose the project and go to the StorageRaya page. To create a bucket, you just need to click the Add New Bucket button, and you will see a pop-up where you can set up your new bucket. Next, you need to configure your new bucket by choosing the right region. In this video, I will choose Jakarta. For the naming, it must be unique and follow the naming requirement. The next step is to choose how to list the objects in your bucket. You can set it to restricted file listing, which prevents public directory listing and improves security, or enable file listing, which allows objects to be publicly listed when the bucket is accessed. For this demo, I will choose restricted file listing. In StorageRaya, you can enable CDN support for a bucket. CDN is ideal for serving static websites, images, media files, and other public assets that require faster response times. Now, set the maximum storage size for your bucket. You can also add an expiration date if the bucket should expire automatically. For this tutorial, I will skip this step, then review all the settings. If everything is set, you can click the Save button. After the bucket is created, a credentials confirmation pop-up will appear. This pop-up displays your bucket name, access key, and secret key. Please note that the secret key is shown only once. Once the pop-up is closed, CloudRaya will not store or display it again. Make sure to copy and securely save this information before closing the pop-up. While waiting for your bucket to be ready, you can save your credentials to your private note. When it's successfully created, you can see your bucket here in StorageRaya page. You can erase the bucket, reset key, or reconfigure the setup by clicking the Bucket Settings button. Then, how to add objects or files to your bucket. You can simply attach your access key or secret key to your coding so it will automatically saved on your bucket. Or you can use a third-party S3 file explorer like CyberDuck. To use it, ensure that you have installed and opened the CyberDuck. Next, click Open Connection, select Amazon S3, then paste the endpoint into the server field. Now, enter your access key, ID, and secret access key, and click Connect. Once connected, you can easily add files by uploading them or simply dragging and dropping. After the files are uploaded, you'll see them in CyberDuck, where you can also rename them if needed. To make sure everything is stored correctly, copy the file URL and paste it into your browser. If the file opens successfully, it means your file has been stored in your bucket. That's it. Ready to create your bucket now?